Hey, I'm Katie and I'm the producer on this recipe. And I thought it would be cool today if I showed you how we do our stop motion kind of magic moments where things pop in. For the pie section, when I'm putting on the pie hearts, the camera's running the entire time and I bring in my pie top and then I bring my hands out of screen so to make sure they clear the screen. The other thing that's really important is not to tap the pan or any of the other items on it. Everything else needs to stay so still so that really the only action is the thing you are placing in the shot. So that's just popping in. And then when I've got them all on there, I cut out the frames between the last one I put in and then after I've set down the next one. So it looks something like this. That's what I do. If you guys have some cool stop motion tips you have, put them in the comments or tips on this recipe. Thanks, bye.